Kia ora koutou, ko tuhi o Bailey tuku ingoa. I'm a member of Climate Justice Taranaki. We all know that we're in a climate emergency and we need to stop extracting fossil fuels. Yet here in Taranaki, the companies are still extracting and expanding oil and gas wells. We have a chance at the moment to stop them, but we really need your help.
We are seeking that any future mining and exploration becomes a prohibited activity, which is in line with all of the credible science and economic advice.
If we want to stop climate change, we've got to stop burning fossil fuels. It's really clear. And if we want to stop at 1.5 degrees of warming, we've got to get to zero emissions, zero burning of fossil fuels in the next 30 years. The last thing we need to do is go and find more. So we really need to stop exploring for oil or gas, and we need to think about how we can transition a region like Taranaki to producing energy in a renewable, in a sustainable kind of way.
The economic case for doing something about climate change is very, very clear. So the climate scientists are telling us we need to reduce carbon emissions and all greenhouse gas emissions quickly. And we need to ramp that reduction up because by 2050, we need to be at net zero. And even that might not be an ambitious enough goal to get to 1.5 degrees only. But the economic case to do that right now is very, very clear. The more we delay, the more we go on the path of keep producing carbon and keep producing emissions, the more it will cost us in the future, and the more that the transition will cost us. So as the quicker we start the transition away from fossil fuels, the least expensive it will be. And that's why we need to start now and not delay it for another. We've been pushing the kicking the can down the road for a century now, since we've known about this problem, and it's just time to stop. The economic case for it is very, very strong, and it includes not, ramping down the production of carbon fossil fuels in Taranaki, and that means not, at the very least, not developing new sources there.
We all need to transition to producing energy in a renewable, clean, zero carbon kind of way, and we know what to do. We can do this. Taranaki can do this.
If we want to stop ocean acidification, which wrecks our kaimoana, and if we want to stop sea level rise and increasing storms and droughts that affect our people here in Aotearoa and across Pacifica in particular, then please, we need to stop climate change by stopping the continued extraction of fossil fuels.